Professor Liu is going to teach you do number 1. Number 1, we create a C++ program, calculate display the total amount of money company owe for the seminar. If the user enters 0 to negative number, you're going to display input error. All right. So the number has to be greater than 0. Is that right? Once the number greater than 0, and we sort them. But this time we sort them is small number from smallest number to largest number. So can anyone tell me how do you call this kind of sorting? Small to larger. Anybody can tell me? What kind of, it's not descending, it's called what? Small to larger. It's called ascending. Good job. Thank you, Gregory. It's called ascending order right now. Okay. When the ascending order is similar to do number 3, but we're going to, because it's small to larger, is that right? So we're going to use a less than, and we are going to compare to the right hand side, the largest number. So we're going to use a 4 and 10. 4 and 10. You understand? And this is else. So this is if. Else if. This is else. Okay? So this is if. This is if. This else if. And this is else. And the number we are going to compare is the largest number here. 4. We use 4, 10. Remember, these we use 90, 80, 70, 60. And these we use the right hand side, 4, 10. It's okay? You ready? Okay. So we are going to do this right now. Alright. So we have a number of participants. Is that right? Registrant. Okay? Registrant. Okay, so I'm going to copy like this. All right, and feed. Okay. Oh, sorry. Control A, Control C. So close. Let me do number 1 with you. So create C++, and this is chapter 6, classwork _1. Right click add new item. Alright, so I'm going to do chapter 6. Alright, and classwork _1. Control V, and I'm going to get rid of these. Okay, and I'm going to do this. Instead of this, I'm going to say, how to say that? Let me see how they say. We are going to do this. Okay, registrant. Okay. All right. So integer registrant. Okay. And we're going to also we're going to say double that's fee, registration fee. Just put fee. Okay. All right. So see how many people register for this event. All right, and seeing all right, so seeing go back. What did I do? Undo. All right, so how many people register in this event? Seeing registrant. Okay, So all right, so I'm going to do like this right now. And if, all right, registrant, all right, so if this one is greater than 0, and we're going to do something. Okay, so here, else we're going to see out. Okay, okay, invalid input must be greater than 0. Okay, cannot be given, must be a positive number. All right, we tell them that. All right, so now, so right here we're going to do this right now. All right, so we have group, is that right? And the group right here, let me double check the number. We're going to do use 4, 10. Okay, so you are going to do like this. Let me put this thing here halfway. All right, so you say this, you use if, and you say this. Okay, this, then you use less than equal, less than equal 4. Okay, you use that. You use the largest number. You use the right hand side number. Okay, then you say this. Fee equal to registrant times 100. Okay, then second group, you're going to have else if. Okay, then this is less than 10, less than equal 10. All right, then you're going to say fee equal registrant times 80. Register, that's a very long name. I shouldn't do that. But else, all right. All right, so we say this. All right, so this has L. Just remember, make sure you know what's a delimiter, what number to use. All right, so right now we are going to do this. We build it, and I'm going to start without debugging. So I'm going to put like a -5. All right, high invalid number. Okay, I'm not going to do anything with you. You just mess around with our program. All right, so right here, and I'm going to do 3. All right, so you register 3 people. 3 times 100, 300. Now, let me see right here. All right. So you see here, if I put a point, it will be fine because that integer. Okay. I put a. All right. So that become one double right now. Okay. Then I'm start without debugging one more time. Is okay? Let me, how many I need to put? Let me try this right now. Five. Five is $80. Okay. Five. All right. So 80 times five is 400. So I'm correct right now. So this is your number. This is your number one. And when you do this, you sort them. Okay. I hope you understand this program. You like this program. Continue program whenever you have time.